Hey everybody, this is Kevin with Texas Yardman and More. Today I'm out here on my rural property and I'm putting sides up on my utility trailer here because I want to be able to go around and collect firewood, and this is going to help keep the pieces of wood inside. And so it's also, you know, I can use it for collecting rocks or whatever. If you know, Texas is full of rocks. So this is what I'm working on today, and picked this trailer up from Northern Tool. I'll put that down in the description. Not endorsed by them, but do buy some of their products from time to time. And I've got these boards here that I'm sizing up, and I got to put one here in the front now, so I got to cut it, and we'll go ahead and get this cut. I've already measured it out. There we go. Got some scrap wood here for later. Always hang on to your scrap wood because you never know when you're going to need it. Beautiful day out. It was really cold last night for the hill country, so we'll see if this fits in there. Hopefully you can see that. And this trailer sat out in the elements, so some of the planks have kind of dried and warped a little bit, so it's not going to sit flush. But as long as I can get it to sit in there for the most part, that's all I'm looking for. So I've got some decking wood screws here, and I also got some of these screws here. See those, and these are going to screw into the brackets here that I put on the trailer. So here we go. That's just going to hold it onto the bracket. Whoops, looks like my bit fell out. We'll go ahead and put that back in. So now I guess I just pulled that out. There we go. It's just going to help keep it in place. You can see it's not going to be perfect. As long as you get it to where you can put some screws into it. We're going to swap out our bits here. We're going to put some of these decking screws in now. And you can see there's a crack right here, so you want to avoid putting these in up at the top. There you go. Put another one in. And I just ran out of battery, so I've got to go get a battery over here. So we'll walk over here. We'll get a battery. Luckily I had some charging up. There we go. 2 more screws and we should be golden. So I think back when I bought this trailer at that time, I think I paid around 250 bucks for it. So it was a pretty affordable trailer. I have no intentions on towing it down the road. So it'll always stay out here. No need to register it. But that turned out pretty nice. It's gonna work perfect for my needs. And don't dump your screws like I just did. But that is all there is to it. If you're wondering where I picked up these brackets, these corner brackets, I also got some braces in here in the center. I'm gonna sink a couple more screws in there, but I probably don't need to. You can pick those up at your Home Depot or Lowe's or any place that sells lumber. Fairly easy to do. As long as you got a chop saw or a saw to cut wood, and you got a drill and some wood screws, you're good to go. Anybody can do this. Anyhow, I'm gonna go out and collect some firewood now. This is gonna hook up to my four-wheeler and we'll go collect some wood. So anyhow, this is what you do to put sides on. So if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell in the upper right hand corner for any future Texas Yardman videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.